Yeah, we could have tornadoes tomorrow. It's certainly a possibility. I think our main threat's damaging winds, but tornadoes are possible. EF1 tornado, Neil, can destroy a single wide mobile home, while an EF2 of that strength can destroy a double wide mobile home. So I want everybody to be safe in a site-built structure. That's very important. If you know somebody with a site-built structure before tomorrow, give them a call and say that you are coming over. Obviously get permission because you don't want to trespass or anything, but give them a call and just say, hey, I need a place to stay in tomorrow's severe weather. Now, once you have done that, the safest place to be if you're under a tornado warning would be the central room of your house. As many of those outside walls between you and the outside world, that could be a pantry, a closet, or a bathroom, or anything like that. Again, no mobile homes tomorrow. You're going to have to get away from the storm if a warning is issued and you happen to be in a mobile home. Find a site-built structure. That could be a gas station, that could be a local shelter, or just some other type of shelter in place. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some of these other bullet points here on our severe weather checklist. Having an emergency kit is key as well. Keep one in your car, keep one in your house. That could be flashlights, that could be bottled water, anything like that. Also a first aid kit. And then have two sources to receive your weather information. It could be a NOAA weather radio. It could also be the East Texas Storm Team app, which will come in handy because myself and meteorologist Andrew Samet and our digital team will be updating anytime a warning is issued across the entire East Texas viewing area. Only thing we have right now are a couple thunderstorms to our north, and because of that, our northeastern counties closer to the Arklatex are under a tornado watch until 10 o'clock. Franklin, Titus, Camp, Morris, Cass County included. I think the higher probability, though, is for severe weather in southern Arkansas, and that's where we could see some significant hailstorms as well. Again, this is valid for this evening and overnight tonight. It's very warm, very soupy out there. That's the type of ingredients that these severe thunderstorms like to work with. We're in the upper 70s and lower 80s, but the main threat for our severe weather here in East Texas is going to lie tomorrow, and that's why we have that level 4 moderate risk of severe weather that the SPC issued this morning. Here's Futurecast. Just a few showers through 9 o'clock, and then as we get a little closer into the afternoon, we'll start to see more storms develop. Now, initially, I expect the storms to develop further off to the west. This is about noontime, between about 1 and 2. We'll really start to see those storms fire across the Dallas-Fort Worth area. By 2 o'clock, our northwestern counties could start to see a few showers and thunderstorms, and these storms will be slow to develop eastward initially. This is 4 o'clock, but it will eventually happen as the front gets a little closer to us. This is 5 o'clock. You can see from Athens, Canton up to Rains County and parts of Sulphur Springs and Hopkins County. We're seeing those showers and thunderstorms there. It gets closer at 6 o'clock. By the time we get into 7, Athens, Mineola, Sulphur Springs will be seeing a strong line of storms moving through. Tyler, Jacksonville at 8. At 9, it's Gilmer, Longview, Henderson, and then the storms will finally move off to the east and to the northeast, and then we'll see much drier air behind the front. 3 to 8 o'clock, it's our western counties. That's the main timeline for storms for you guys. Central counties, including the cities of Gilmer, Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, and Henderson. It's between about 6 and 10 tomorrow evening, and then 8 to midnight for areas shaded in the red.